do it without rolling my eyes.
RealBusinessTalk.com.
My name is Abeer Sweis. Find me on Real Business Talk. So when I was 9 years old, my dad used to take us out on these drives, and our Sunday drive would consist of seeing different parts of the countryside. And on one of those Sundays, we drove by, and there was this amazing house that was built into the hillside, and it was the hillside was growing up on top of the house, and all you could see was just the glass front of the house. And it was amazing because it was the rest of the country was all concrete and stone boxes, right, everywhere. And so I asked my dad what that was and who did it, and he said an architect, and I said, well, I'm going to be an architect. So that's all I've ever wanted to be since. Well, somewhere, you're in high school and you try to take the classes that you think you need to take to become an architect. So you take some drafting classes and mechanical drafting, and nothing that really, at the end of the day, pertains to what you want to do. So I learned how to draft. I learned about mechanical systems and construction systems and all of those things. And then I went to Woodbury University and got my Bachelor's of Architecture degree. Worked for a few years, and then I decided to start my own firm. So about 17 years ago, I decided to start this company. And initially, by training, I'm an architect. So I decided to start an architectural firm and started an office, started a home office, and very quickly grew. And a couple years later, we moved to Santa Monica. So we've been in the Santa Monica office for 15 years now. Somewhere along the way, I'd say about 4 or 5 years into it, we decided that interior design was a huge component of what we do, as well as the architecture. So we started bringing on interior designers to do that component. So we became an architecture and interior design firm. And in 2006, we had an opportunity to also just start doing the building portion of it. So as of 2006, we're a full-service design and construction company. I tend to work with a lot of attorneys, doctors, entrepreneurs of various kinds, the CEOs of companies and things like that. Actually, my first job was, it was a new house over in Calabasas, and it was a referral that came actually from my ex-boss, who didn't have time for the project, and he asked me if I wanted to work with these people, but they essentially bought a piece of land and they wanted to build a new house, and I worked with them, and that was that. So we do about 75% residential, and about half of that is new construction, and the other half is a lot of renovations. And 25% of our work is commercial, and that tends to be tenant improvements. We've done some ground up commercial buildings as well. If you have any design and construction needs, you can find me here at RealBusinessTalk.com.
RealBusinessTalk.com. Connecting expert talk with real business success. That makes your network your net worth. The tools you need to succeed in real estate, in business, in your life. Join the talk. Receive the latest business talk. Subscribe now at RealBusinessTalk.com.